Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. To get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down on our home screen. Swipe down once more to extend a broader list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a battery saver. For me, it is right over here. I believe this is the default location of the toggles, so you should find yours in about the same place as it is for me. Now from here, all you need to do is just simply tap on it. It will enable our power saving mode with a little notification sound, and also give the battery a red outline, which on the camera is barely visible, but it's there. So there we go. Now that is how you enable your power saving mode, and to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, tap on it, and it's now turned off. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.